limit extends to 0, a minus n of nx minus tan x into sin nx upon x square is given 0. So we can write this limit extends to 0, a minus n of nx minus tan x upon x into sin nx divided by x, multiply and divide with n here, which is equal to 0. So limit extends to 0. So we can write this as a minus n of n minus tan x upon x into sin nx into, we can also write this as a limit extends to 0, sin nx upon nx into n, which is equal to 0. Since we know that limit extends to 0, nx also tends to 0. As x tends to 0, nx tends to 0. So limit extends to 0, sin nx divided by nx is equal to 1. So we can write this as, this is 1, and tan x, we know that limit extends to 0, tan x by x is also equal to 1. So we can get the answer a minus n of n minus 1 into sin x, nx by nx limit extends to 0, this is 1 into n, so which equals to 0. Or we can also write a minus n times of n minus 1 is equal to 0, and since n cannot be equal to 0, so a minus n of n is equal to 1, or we can write a minus n is equal to 1 upon n, or a is equal to n plus 1 upon n, we can write for n not equals to 0. So we can go with an option a is equal to n plus 1 upon n, fourth option.